Government is not thinking about me, my family and your family. And what about my me? And who is the responsibility? Who is the responsible side? Oh no. People are thinking not about me.
Government job, the corruption is highest, and the government employee get the high black money and.
Oh my God, disqualified. Disqualified.
You are talking about you don't get. You are not able to get government job. He's talking about he's not
Where is
able.
father job? Let me see. Let me complain.
You talk enough.
Don't.
He don't have his skill. He don't have his skill.
Shut up.
Shut.
There is many people in your family, and listen to every people are doing government job. So listen to me. Listen to me. Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me complete.
Their last breath because they are searching for something which is next to impossible for everyone.
Even we are trying. You are guys are just doing a gadha mazduri.
And only 1,000 or 10,000 people are getting job. What about the rest of the one?
Let me tell you the motive of this talk, first of all. The way we are going to talk, first of all, we shouldn't talk. And we don't have to talk in future as well. Because I just thought about this khurafat. Because, people are damn unconfident, right? Come on. So here, while walking, while doing some activities, they will be confident. Simultaneously, they will be able to maintain the speed of speaking, guys. When we talk about modulation, guys, when we talk about pitch, when we talk about, fluctuation, we are unable to have. Why? Because we are busy in thinking points. We are, we are busy here. Oh my God, what to speak. Once you became a great, eloquent speaker, having good speed, then you are able to maintain your solo talks, or you're able to fluctuate because you are having a smooth talk. So it is very important to be eloquent speaker, having good speed. So here, hota kya hai ki this is input, guys. Input, process, output. You have to make your input in a great speed. Once it becomes in a speed, your process will be in a speed, and once your process will be in a speed, your output will be in a speed, guys. Come on. Are you getting the point? Yes. So are you ready to develop that today? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. I'm going to invite a person. You have to maintain the chain. You do not have to even pause 1 second. Can I invite a person, please? Ladies and gentlemen, come on. I should start from here or from here?
Anyway.
First of all, clap for your team, right? Come on. Oh my God, this team is very lazy. जहां की क्लैप तेज होगी वही टीम जीतेगी. देखते हैं. व्हाइट क्लैप. Now one more activity, right? If you clap equally well, then I will believe that yes, you are excited, right? You have to clap equally well, just like this. Only once. Clap. No, you have to start together and pause together.
1, 2, 3.
Now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Great! Very nice. I'm gonna hire Sikha actually, right? Clapping trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, for a great speed, and guys, you do not have to speak only here. You have to come and continue speaking like this, right? Come on. Go and look into the eyes of the people, but don't fall in love, okay? You have to go and see into the eyes of the people, right? Come on. The person is gonna start from here. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about advantages of government and benefits of government. You know, most of the people are interested in getting government sector. Most of the people are struggling, are working, and most of the people wants to government job. So a person who is working in government sector, a person who is working in government sector, so will get many salary, will get many amount compared to the private sector. And also a person who is working in government sector will get pension after his death, after his retirement, and a person, and also if he lost his life during work, I mean,
Please pass, guys. Come on, you go.
Okay. There is a problem in the between the. Suppose listen to me. Suppose that they are. What happened, guys?
Yes, come on. You can do it.
I am entrepreneur. I am doing. I got a. I gave a lot of the people's.
He's bossing.
Suppose that ma'am, you are speaking a lot of. Suppose that you are preparing government exam and you are not selected and you become like this. No. And then most of the people are thinking, but the government is not seeing me and my family, and I am. So please.
Guys, he is trying to say that if you are preparing for government exam and if you do not get selected, you will become like this.
And this is also a skillful person.
Yeah. No, wait. Don't debate. Let him speak. You are pausing.
No, sir, again, sir.
Continue speaking.
I said, okay, sir.
1, 2. He's paused. He's out of the game. Please, no. You don't have to pause. Continue. You go.
Yes, I am telling to you, brother, you belong to Hyderabad. You say to me yesterday, and you do not get a girlfriend, you do not get a wife. Because I used to say to you follow this private sector, and you follow this private sector, you do not get a girlfriend, and you are last time crying, always I'm crying.
In our
And
society.
your brothers, you are belong.
You have paused.
In our society, we have seen that who has government job, he respects from the society, and
Pause! Now! 2 people or no more. 2, 1.
I am talking about government job advantage and private job disadvantage. Government job are more benefits for our employees, like hospital facility and travel facility, but private job are not facility in provide for employee. Government job are pension, and government job are salary income on time for private, but private job are not salary on time, and government job are society. Government job are respect among society, but private job are not respect in our society. But government job are more education.
Continue!
I have lots of idea, I have lots of thought, but government job provide limitation salary. Why? Most of the people nowadays, want to do government job, but their children don't want to government job. Why? Because of lack of facility. So I think private job always best. Private job provide lots of, nowadays every person wants to get easy to private job, but government job is very difficult. Why? Because private job provide many more facility, many more private job.
Oh my God, he's boss. He is boss.
You don't know the government job of facility, the pension, the medical facilities government job provide. Oh my God, you don't know the benefit of the pension, the benefit of the government job. You don't know the salary of teacher. You don't know the salary of teacher. Oh my God, it's touching the sky. You don't know. You don't know. We have a fixed working hours. In government job. We can do anything. We can go with our family restaurants. Ma'am, what are you doing in private sector? Government job, ma'am. What are you doing? We can go in restaurants and eat a very delicious rasgulla. Oh my God, you can't think. And in a government job, you know the salary we get in every month, 75,000. I can purchase anything, whatever I want, the luxurious dress. Oh my God, you can't imagine. Oh my God. But the facilities and the medical facility, you don't know. Whenever I get accident, suddenly the treatment available of the government job. Oh my God, we have a government job where we can sit down.
No, let her speak.
Look, I'm not in favor of your government job. Why? Because I saw the students who are preparing for one-day examination for the salary of only 25,000. Okay. Now, that's second thing. No. You have paused. Now let me speak. You are not in favor of privatization. So why the privatization is there in railways? Why the privatization is in... Why the privatization there is railway? Why is there a privatization in banks? Why? I want to do something abroad. I want to go to foreign country to do some work. Is it possible with my government sector? Government job? What do you think? You are talking about the medical facility you are having through your government job. And you know what? We are earning more than what you are having that facility. Wow. Look, we are earning. The top most employee of government sector is an IS officer. He is not earning more than 1 lakh. Even I am earning more than 1 lakh. Okay, we don't need the medical facility. We are earning that much that we can maintain it. Yes, we can maintain it. And when we talk about the developed India, the development, it is based on Ambani. The work which are done by Ambani, which are done by Adani, which are done by Ratan Tata. He has.
God, ma'am, you don't know the government job, the respect we get. Oh my God.
There is no respect.
Even
Babu is always Babu.
Even we getting 20,000, we have a lot of it. You know, ma'am, when you are working in a private job, your sasuma said, "Oh my beti, you don't need to do the private job."
Well, ma'am, my sasuma worships me.
Now is my turn. And when you are in working job, then your sasu must sit there. Oh my God, my beti have a government job. Go, see, pushed you. Go and beti do government job. Go and do government job. Oh my God. But the respect.
It's not debate, by the way, today. All right, no, you just have to maintain the speed of speaking. But it was really appreciable. Come on, you did a well job. The point of Gunja ma'am was okay. She also spoke well, but let others speak having good speed. Come on. Let me invite, come on. What do you think, guys? Can you maintain speed?
Yes.
Can you maintain speed?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can?
Yes, sir.
Can I challenge Mr. Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, what do you think, guys? Can he maintain speed? No. Yes. No, no? Yes. No. He can't. Okay, you have to maintain speed at least 2 minutes. Continue, come on.
Okay, you were saying that the highest pay grade of the highest employee of a government job is an IAS officer, and his salary is not more than 1 lakh. So let me tell you, he has bungalow, he has car, he has all the facilities. What about the money will he do? And one more thing. You may be earning crores per month, but when a kafila of the DM passes, your Mercedes, your Lamborghini, everything will be stopped. And then you will be thinking, oh my God, for this I have been working so hard for long, all these times. And you are talking about the government job preparations. So what about for those who get the private job and they get fired, and for years of loyalty, and they say, oh, kaise kya ho gaya? What can you say about that? One economic barrier comes, one crisis comes, and layoffs are fired, and the people are fired like, oh, jao, dekho, jo tum dekh sakte ho. I have nothing to do with you. What can you say about that? In the lockdown, there was a terror and a fear in the mind of corporate employees whenever it may be a situation that I can get fired at any moment of time. But every government employee was just getting the salary and all the benefits. And when the vaccine came, the first ever the first ever persons who were getting the vaccine were the first line government employees, not the so-called tech giants or all the other members. And we are the ones who are serving the nation, and we are proudly saying that we are determined to serve our nation. And if you talk about serving the nation, you can't even loyal to your you can't even loyal to your employees. How can you loyal to a country like India? You guys just fired and take the money and put in your pocket. The DRDO scientists, who are working day and night researching and making all the facilities, all the research employees. You were talking about railways, the facilities of bio toilets. Who gave it? The DRDO gave it. That's not a private firm. It's a government organization. They are working day and night. They are the Development and Research Authority of India. And the IS officer, they are not just an officer. They are changing the society. People get inspired. Whenever in a seminar an IS officer came and you invite any of the tech giant of your city, who will you respect? First of all,
Absolutely right. First of all, drink water. Clap for Mr. Saurabh. Very nice. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. And continue again. Come on. Yes.
In every little to great to large seminars or any conferences, maximum time the chief guest always is a government employee. Have you ever seen any large conferences going on there and chief guest is is basically a private employee firm or any other one? The central universities or all the other universities invites always like the president or the governor to distribute the certificates and degrees, not any Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos like kind of things.
Good morning, all of you. I hope you are all doing well. This is me, Sunny Kumar. I'm going to talk about private job versus government job. What are you thinking, God? What are you thinking, guys? I came from Blaze. I came from city. I'm coming from Blaze. What are you thinking? I am not able to get job. I am not able to. I have capacity. I have information. I have everything. I have skill. But what are you thinking? I'm not able to get a job. You are not providing job. Seriously, brother.
Oh my God!
Seriously, brother. Seriously, brother, if you have a girlfriend, definitely you will lose your girlfriend if you will do government job. Please come in, Mike. Please, sir. I will save your girlfriend. Definitely. Please come here. Ladies and gentlemen, private job are more secure than government job. Let me tell you why. In a private job, you will get more salary, you will get more experience. In a private job, most of the employees are harassed by their seniors. They are harassing by their seniors. Why? Why it is happening? I have ability, I have a talent, but why are you doing this? Sir, let me tell you why. If you are not able to get a government job, one day you will get suicide. One day. You will get suicide, definitely. I will do. Most of the people are doing this. Ma'am, maybe, must we are preparing for government job.
If I get pregnant in a government job, then I can sit and eat angur in a private job.
Replay. Go again.
If I get pregnant in government job, I can sit at home and take maternity leave and eat angur. And in a private job, I will think that if my senior will fire me, then I can't eat angur at home. But in a government job, I can eat angur at my home.
But boys are langur. Come on.
What are you thinking? Ma'am, there is no need.
The rat race never ends in private job. You have to upgrade like a phone. Are you a
What about our country? What about our nation? Do you know?
I am working for nation. If I am a teacher, I am working for nation. You don't think?
You are not working, ma'am.
No,
What are
I
you
am
thinking?
working. I am
You have
working.
become lethargic. You have become lazy after getting job.
How
Most of the
can you
people.
say?
Do you know how many
How
percentage are?
the work-life balance is not good in a private job. If I am in a government job, I can balance my family. I can take care of my kids. I am doing my job 6 hours in a day. Then I will come at home. I will ask to my child that how are you. If I am in a private job, then I will work for 10 to 12 hours, and I will not take care of my husband and my family also.
It is not like that. If you are not able to work, if you are not, you can left your job, ma'am. What are you thinking? You can contribute for your nation. Do you know how many percent government people, the private people are investing for the GDP? 70%. You are the people only 25% you are contributing for GDP. Shame on you, ma'am. So many guys. What are you doing?
Have you ever seen the data that people are committing suicide in a private job? Go and check data. In 2021, like 10,000 people had committed suicide because of work pressure. And Narayan Murthy, who said that 70 hours per week you have to...
Please stand up, stand up. Saurabh, go there, please. Okay. Great. Please come back. This Niharika never spoke like this, but for the first time she spoke fluently. I mean, really, I really appreciate, and everyone is trying well, right? Come on. अब थोड़ा डिबेट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, बस वो चेन बना के अपनी टीम में रखिए, ठीक है ना? But you do not have to go lengthy, right? Come on. At least you have to speak 1 to 2 minutes and give it to somebody else, right? So at least 4 to 5 people have to speak. Let me see how you go, and then again थोड़ा चिंगारी हम लेके आएंगे. All right, come on, from here, go, challenge people, go.
If I talk about in government job, a person is preparing for government job, it will take a lot of time to get selected, and most of the person left their study because of it will take too time, and they can't prepare. That's why. And if I talk about in private job, they can get easily any job according to his skills, and they can switch whenever they want to switch, and they can grow our skills as well, and they can switch according to his skill. And
Oh my God, you lost. Aman.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Aman, and today everyone is acquainted with the difficulty in getting hired in government job. You know that the person who is preparing for 4 years, for 8 years, and how many vacancies are there? How many? Everyone knows that. How many vacancies are there? There are very few vacancies. The person who is preparing, what he did, if he employ himself in a private sector, he make more money. He can make more money. What about that? If you are artist, do you have ever any government movie? If I'm a dancer, if I'm a singer, if I'm an actor, what I am doing? Is there any vacancy in a government for myself? If I'm an artist, what kind of I'm doing in a government sector? Do you know the Mahendra Singh Dhoni? He is a TC. When he realized that there is no any scope in a private sector, he leave, and he realized his art. Like a player, everybody knows nowadays. Everybody knows about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who is Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Who is Mahendra Singh Dhoni? He is a player. Everybody knows.
Oh my God, disqualified. Why did you pause? All right, Anudesh. Continue.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Anudesh Pratap.
I love you.
Good morning, all of you, sir.
All of you.
Yeah.
I love you, nahi.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Anudesh Pratap. You can see my face. I am a Kalia, but I got a very beautiful Alia because of government job.
Oh!
Yes. Sir, I see my face. I am very happy. My wife is very happy because I. Yeah. No, sir.
Where is Alia?
Where my home. My Alia is very beautiful.
Oh, okay.
But you can see, sir, his face is very demotivated because of government job. You can see this face. All are happy because of government job.
Yes. Continue.
Because of government job, and many people. Because of government job, you can go. If you are a poor people, you can go in government hospital. Government hospital give you treat freely. But in government job, you have not money. He kick him and go outside and wait in a few lines. This is the reality of government job. If I am a IAS, I am a IPS, I can serve any person. I can serve any district. I can serve to any people. I can treat you. If you are working anywhere. If you don't, I
Disqualified.
no.
Please.
Sir, please give me chance.
Now I'm sorry. Dipti, please. Hurry up.
Good morning, all of you. This is Deepthi in front of you. So today I'm in favor of private job. So private job is a thing in which you get higher salary than in the comparison of government job, and you have to be more creative to get a private job. Your skill have to be developed. In the government job, what is happening? In the government job, the corruption is there. The corruption is very much in the government job, and there is no corruption in the private job. In the government job,
Tell yourself.
government employee get the high black money, and
Oh my God, disqualified, please. All right, next person, come on, Kaf. Gav, take mic. Come on.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Continue. Yeah, come on. हाँ, आराम से बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Today topic discuss government job and private job. Let me tell you, private job is better. Government job is better than the private job better because private government job is better because
Come here. तो आपका confidence कहाँ मिला? Can you see yourself? दिख रहा है ना?
yes.
Oh my God, you're so handsome. All right?
Yes.
Smile.
बोले
नहीं बोलना नहीं. Smile. Propose. Propose. I love you so much. अरे बोलो.
I love you so much.
बोलो.
I love you so much.
मुझे कैसे? And I love you so much. Why do you love me? Love yourself. Come on.
Sir, क्या बोले sir?
बोलो I love you.
I love you.
तेरी आंखों की ये नमकीन मस्तियाँ
तेरी आंखों की ये नमकीन मस्तियाँ
नहीं भूलूंगा मैं.
नहीं भूलूंगा मैं
जब तक है जान.
जब तक है जान.
जब तक है जान.
जब तक है जान.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल.
तू किस लिए हताश है?
तू खुद किस लिए हताश है?
तू चल.
तू चल.
तेरे वजूद की.
तेरी वजूद की.
समय को भी तलाश.
समय को भी तलाश.
समय को भी तलाश.
समय को भी तलाश.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I am going to speak about.
I know speak
I'm
about.
going to speak about.
I am going to be
Government job.
government job.
Government job.
Government
तो
job.
बताइए एक दो चीज. बताइए why government job is better. Tell. हाँ.
Nowadays everyone nowadays everyone sir,
Everyone is preparing for
Yes.
government job.
nowadays everyone is preparing for government job. Why are you government private job? Sir,
Disqualified, please. Your team is not going well, guys. Your team is not going well. Next person, please. Come on. Mr. Abhishek, please. Abhishek. Tell people.
Like government departments, I can say these departments are not good because you can see in sports, like how many medals we are getting in Olympics. In every Olympic, we get only 5 to 10 medals. Because why? Because all sports authority in India are government authorities and they do not provide any facilities to the sports persons. They do not provide proper food, proper equipment, and they are very corrupted departments. They get money and they don't give it to the athletes. Also, we can say in other countries there are departments, there are sports facilities which are private facilities, and there are countries which are more less developed than us. These countries have more medals than us, but in our country we don't get the medals. And you can see if we go to any government department, we to make anything like a driving license or a passport, we have to give them bribe, because without giving them bribe, they won't do our work. And we can say these departments are very corrupted. They are taking taxpayers' money and keeping it in their pocket only.
Wait, you are really qualified, but I want to have one challenge for you. I want to give you a challenge. There's a term that is called expressional talks. हम लोग कभी-कभी कराते हैं. Expressional talks में क्या करना है? सारे words पे आपका चेहरा बदलेगा. सारे words पे. I है तो I want to say that. मतलब expressional talks you have to. Okay, whatever comes your mind for the government job, चेहरा बदल जाएगा. क्योंकि आपका एक ही सारे साउंड में एक ही चेहरा बना हुआ है. तो स्वयं विकास नहीं हो पाएगा. Right? चलिए चेहरा बदलिए पूरा.
Okay. So in we can say in coaching industries, in the coaching, they just give us hope. They just give us hope that one day you will become some IPS officer, some IS officer.
Some IS officer, come on.
And they take lots of fees from you by giving you dreams. But in return, what you get? In return, you get that your time wasted.
All right, fine. Please stand up. चेहरे पे चेहरा नहीं, एक्सप्रेशन नहीं बदल रहा है, फेसियल. थोड़ा सा बदलना पड़े, बहुत खड़ूस चल रहा आपका मामला. अच्छा. For the debate purpose it is okay, but maybe if you go for public speaking, this expression will not generate interest in the people. Next time we'll try for that. Come on. Mr. Sujit is saying, sir, please call me again. Should I call him again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But can you do well? Yes, sir. I'm giving you again chance. I have so many people to make speak, but एकदम energize कर देना लोगों को. एकदम तोड़ फोड़ दो, एकदम सब चक्कर आ जाए.
Yes, sir. Peoples, you know that there is a government seat is this.
Expression.
Sir.
Yes. Expression किस?
Sir. There is a government seat is this only limited. You know that all the peoples, but there is our population is 140 crores. But you can see there are so many people are like villagers and no seat. And this is responsibility of the government who provided the nokari job. But most of the people are not thinking, and most of the people are not thinking that I am able, you are able, we are able. But people are not thinking, and this is the responsibility of the government who has provided the job. Who has provided the job? Yes, sir, of course, sir. I am here. Yes, sir. I am able. I am skillful. I am knowledgeful. I am self-development. I am skillful. I am knowledgeful. But government is not thinking about me. Who is providing the job? I am going to doing job in private, but most of people are not thinking why is it happening there. And government is privatization is also favored, but government is not thinking about me, my family, and your family. And what about my me? And who is the responsibility? Who is responsible? Oh no. People are thinking not about me. My family is starving. My family, who is it? My father is getting old, and I am the eldest brother. My responsibility is to serve the nation. And but the government is not thinking about me. What happening my family? And I am a student. I completed my 12th standard, but due to money, sir, I am doing job in the Abadwala restaurant. Who is responsible, sir? Each and every people are not thinking why is it happening there. And so please,
Please. Guys, this is called bounce back. Right? First time he couldn't speak that much well, but what a great confidence, right? मजा आया इस बार?
yes, sir.
एकदम?
Yes, sir.
जाइए सोचिए फिर बाद में कुछ और. And wow, I really like it so much. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा, fantastic. Please go back. Let me invite. So, do you have any wish for this?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any manna?
Yes, sir. There is, sir.
Government job.
No, sir. This is aesthetic.
Yes.
This is pavitra. Sir, you cannot don't analyze my. This is my self-development. Sir.
I respect your religion, sir. I respect.
Your behavior is so. Your behavior so.
Ma'am, I hate government job.
I had government.
Oh, sir, you are talking about you are not able to get government job. He is talking about he is not able.
Father is job. Let me see. Let me complain.
You talk in a. He don't have his.
Shut up.
There is many people in your family, and each and every people are doing government job. So listen to me. Let me complete. Sir, each and every people are not government gives the job. But he is speaking. He is speaking in the front of me. And the people, sir, listen to me. He is speaking in the front of me. And his government job is, sir, listen to me. First me complete. Then he will speak. So, ma'am, please.
Listen. Bhai. Take a breath.
सुन लो.
Everyone, listen.
सुन लो.
शायद I have solution for you. Listen me, I have solution for you.
Yes, of
Take
course.
a breath, boy. Take a breath. I'm not going anywhere. You can fight. You can fight me. Take a breath.
Take a breath.
Take a breath.
Solution.
My brother needs government job, but he is not able to. Look, you can look his behavior. That's why government.
Your brother is not able.
my God.
But most of the people, he is able. He is able. He is able. He will do. He is
Oh my
able.
God.
Most of the people, sorry.
This is not his behavior, this is his frustration.
Yes.
He have to be patient. He have to be patient. He have being a leader.
Your boy.
Thinking about us.
Being a leader.
Sir, let me complete.
Sir, listen. If you don't find a government job, you can become a leader, a great leader, but you don't have a patience to listen.
If there is money, there is money.
How can you say that?
Listen to me.
How can you say that? You can become a leader. He can become a leader.
Your money, sir. Your money. You can never be sold. You will be sold. You can never be sold. If there is money, if you, I have money. If I have money, I have money. I have money. I will lead. I will lead everyone. I will lead everyone. Sorry, sir.
Listen, he is not respecting.
No.
He is not respecting
Also, I
somebody.
get it.
How can government give you employee? How can government give you job?
Let
You
me
are not
complete.
respecting
Let me ask her.
money.
Let me ask
You
her.
are not respecting money. How can government? Oh
No,
my
no,
God,
no,
listen.
he's a
Great,
problem.
great
Shut up.
speaker,
You have
great
no,
speaker.
you have no understanding to speaking someone else. And I hate you.
I hate you too.
No, hey, come here. Yeah, of course. Yeah, he loves me. He is my against. And he told me he loves me. He against you.
He has a coin. He has a coin because of private job. I have a job. I'm in my mobile. In my mobile, many cases I have money. If I have a and he has a coin. He has a coin.
Sir, listen. Sir. Corruption! It is a corruption! In private sector, there are a lot of corruption. You can see. Oh my God!
There is a lot of corruption in the government also. There is open in the private sector, sir.
Gunjan ma'am was saying something. It is his.
Look. Please try. Okay. There's no use to make such a noise that no one can express their feeling.
You can't listen, everyone. You can't
Look what he is saying. He is acting like this because he is frustrated. Look, and why? Because look. Let me finish first. Because for only 10,000 jobs, there are more than 10 lakh people who are aspiring for that. And only 1,000 or 10,000 people are getting job. What about the rest of the one? What they can do? They are giving these chillers to bribe the people who are from government. This is the government job. Okay? And then when you're saying that this type, and you're talking about the people who are from private sector, they are committing suicide.
Who is the governor of Kerala?
No. Let me finish first. Don't. Okay. Now, the second thing is you're talking about the people who are from private sector. They are committing suicide because of the work pressure. Don't you know about the students who are preparing for government job? They are committing suicide because the wrong method.
Sir, let me complete, sir. How many people are members? How many members in your family?
5.
5. And how many members are getting government job?
Everyone trying, sir.
Everyone trying. But
Why till last breath?
Yeah.
Till last breath.
They will try till their last breath because they are searching for something which is next to impossible for everyone.
Even we are trying. You are guys are just doing a gadha mazduri.
My job.
Sir, make him. Bhai, take a breath. We are
Ma'am,
not.
Ma'am, he is
What is your age?
I have energy.
What is your age?
I'm
Sir, what is your age?
My age is only 19 years.
19?
Yes.
For IAS, IPS, government said provide you can attempt 32
He is
years.
90 years old. I am, sir.
You have
earning
enough
money.
time.
I am earning money. I am
Oh my
earning
God.
it. Yes, sir. Private job.
I don't need government job.
Yeah, I don't need.
You have enough
If it there is, you need.
Listen, yaar.
Personally, you listen. If there is a need in your family and everywhere, there is a lot of people you need. You can do in my job. You can job in my company.
Okay, stand up again. Okay, come again. Come again.
Whatever that was, it was not good in the perspective of speaking, but it was good in the perspective of confidence building. The way he has shown, right? Come on, yaar, I appreciate you. Come on. But मैं कहाँ कहीं I love you ना बोल दे सी I hate you, no I love you. नहीं एक केरला में एक आंटी और अंकल से लड़ाई हो गई थी, है ना? आपने देखा होगा? हाँ, करे get out, करा ले वीडियो। मैं कहाँ कहीं यही ना हो जाए। ये बोल दिया था उसी गुस्से में I love you. By the way, no, it's great, it's great. बैठ के पानी पीजिए. All right, fine. Next person. Let me invite Sujal. Please come. Go. Maintain.
Hello everyone, I am Sujal Solanki. I am from Ujjain, and today my topic is about private job and public government job. So my topic is private. So I support to private sector, of course. So tell me guys, in a private companies. In a government company, the who got the job, the public government job, they become more lazy. You have to go in a school and see the teachers, and they didn't do their work.
They don't.
They don't do their work, and the populations of our country is 143 crore approx, right? Then what do you think about the government has to provide 3 to 4% the total population of our country introduce the job 3 to 4%, and then what about the remaining people who wants the job in a government sector? Who? And
This one. You don't have to pause, man. Come on, John, hurry up, start.
Good morning, everyone. So I am supporting private sector. Like you see Dubai, China, America. Why they are developed? Because they have what? Why they are so much developed? Because of privatization. And why India are
Speed.
Why Indians are suffering for unemployment? Because of not having private sector. If we promote private sectors, our GDP, our employment increase. And the second sector is in government.
Disqualified. You're pausing.
Government job provide us stability, and government job provides us paid leave. If we are not able to go on job, they paid leave. They gives us paid leave. And my friend Sujit said that why government? Oh, sorry, sir.
Don't fire him, by the way.
No, I'm not going to fire him. That he is saying that you are not getting job, they become like this. Nah, you are saying.
This is also a skill.
And you are also trying to
This is
get
also a skill, of course.
Yes, sir. There are so many.
And sir, he
दिखा दो skill दिखाओ कैसे?
So many. Like this.
हाँ ऐसे. हाँ. ऐसे करते जाओ.
They are saying this is a skill of private job.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Lot of money you will earn in Delhi. More than government sector job. Yes.
सर आ जाइए सर.
he said that if you not get government job, he or she will become this. He is also telling that he is trying to get government job. He is not.
No, he is no.
No, sir. I am against the private government job.
Sir, his parents want that every private employed parents want that my son or daughter
Should
become.
his family doesn't. He's saying.
Yeah, of course I am teaching you.
For his family, doesn't matter. Satish, come on. A come, guys, do one thing. While speaking, hand over this mic to anybody. He must switch. ऐसे बुलाने पे सोचते सोचते आते हैं बड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाता है, right? ऐसे while speaking, come on, this. Then he should continue speaking like this. Continue, go on.
Hi guys, my name is Satish. I am supporting private jobs more than government jobs. If you choose to government jobs, there is a age of limit. In private sector, there is no age limit. At any age, we can get the private job. But in the government job, there is a age limit. You can't get the government job after you reach the limit of age. And the government jobs, people who are all doing that, they are not following their rules and regulations. They are just working for the politicians. Under the politicians, they are working. And if you select the sector of BSNL sector, there are many people are working and sitting without doing any service to the India. They are just getting salaries. There is no service to the India. Government employees. And if you choose the government schools, many parents many people are preferring private schools than government schools because they are not upgrading their skills. The government teachers, whatever they are preparing the studies to get the government job, there is no use of the studies. They should change the education to get the government job.
Hand over the mic, hand over the mic, hand over the mic, hand over the mic. He has already spoken, huh? Come on, continue.
Good morning, all of you. I am talking about today private government job because government job is just support during any crash, any problems. If my family any facing problem in my village, that time if I want to leave my private companies, so that time he speak, no, I am not get you too much time. After only 10 days I give you leave. But I am talking about if a government job leave me when he understood he is a citizen of Indian and is the family of members. That time he gives me work.
जल्दी फटाफट.
नौकरी तो मिल गई मुकद्दर से पर सुकून चला गया दफ्तर की चक्कर से. That's like a government job. Is anybody who is government job? But if I want to about of a private job is if anyone is not have any degree, then any company is join that is easily with skill and experience. I know that about of government job. If you want to of teacher is not able to teaching, but he only for his doing of like money, and then after that join of government job. This is a situation of our India, and this is a situation of our government college and government school. But if I talking about of private job, anyone have a experience and skill, then after that join any company. What are you thinking about of those families belongs to people area, belongs to poor family. Then after that he joined to.
There was a time of lockdown when the government employees are chilling at their home, but the private
Go to people.
But the private one who were sitting at their home, they were worried that if they will got fire. So I think that the government job is the best job for the security. If what happens if the lockdown comes again, then what will you do in a private sector? If and I have how can you say that government people are lazy?
Government job is money oriented.
How can
money oriented? Of course, it is money oriented.
So private job is not money oriented. How you are not here for the money? If you go in a private sector, you are not going for the money. If I am going in a government sector, that I am going for the money.
But what about the people
Please
who are preparing for government job for 10 years or 5 years? There are what about them?
If I have capacity,
they are not able to give the time their parents. They are not. I am not able. I was preparing for government job for 3 years, but I am not able to get them.
I have capacity.
What about me? What about my parents? They are sending me money. How they are doing the hard work in my field? What about them, ma'am?
I have capacity, then I am preparing for government exam. I have capacity. I have that mental strength. I am capable and I have that mental strength that I can qualify that exam. If there are
no capability,
maybe
What do you think? Maybe he. Yeah, maybe.
What do you think, ma'am? Capability?
I don't know. No, you can know about yourself. I am knowing about myself.
Let me complete. Everyone listen. Ma'am, you
Brother, please talk. We can talk silently, na? We
Okay,
can
ma'am.
talk. Yes, sir. Haan. We can talk silently, na? There is no use of, there is no use of like debating, na? Haan. I am listening to you silently. Haan.
let me complete.
Haan.
Ma'am, they are preparing. They are preparing government job.
Yes.
But your child in future, ma'am,
Yes.
Where you will prefer in private school or government school? Tell me.
Brother,
Pusta, yes, of course.
listen, I want to tell you that I am not planning for a child. So that
in future, it will happen. It will happen in future.
In future, if I am not planning for a child, then I have a.
He is not planning. He is not planning.
No, I am also planning. He is planning,
because I thinking about the climate change. Most of the person, do you know what is the climate change? You don't know. You don't. Yeah. Biggest problem. Population is the biggest problem for the climate change. You know, because of the.
He don't know the climate change because.
And what's her opinion? Why have you guys let her stop?
Who is responsible? Government is responsible, sir. But
Brother, first tell me one thing. We can talk quietly, na? Like you have prepared.
Talk quietly. How come one talk silently?
Please, ma'am.
These are two different
There is no need of frustration. There is.
Let him. Yes.
You prepared for the government exam, na? Then you didn't qualify. After that, you have chosen the path of private exam.
Why you preparing? Why? Ultimately, he comes private job.
I am not responsible, sir.
Have you checked yourself that you can qualify that government exam or not? Like there are 900 seats in an exam. That if you believe that I can qualify that exam, then you have to be potential that I can do it.
Calculation is that. Calculation is that. Ultimately, yeah, sir. Ultimately, your last option is private job.
No, it's not my last option. I am on my path for my government exam. I am doing my PhD. I will be an assistant professor. Then I have lot of perks in assistant professor. That I will go to abroad on the government. For the conference? For the conference, I am a Hindu. I am a
You're not supporting that who is living poor child. Who try to educate them
I am supporting myself. I am not responsible for your life.
So who is responsible? Government is responsible. Government is responsible. Who?
No, talk to me quietly. You can talk to me. I am listening to you.
Yes, what happened?
Government is responsible, no?
Government is responsible. Government is responsible, and each and every people of the India will be earn money. How to get money? Only there is a limited seat in our India. Only 3% in government sector seat. And what happened this and that?
There are lot of one-day exam that you can prepare for that exam also. If you have potential.
What calculation is that? They are 3%. I have already told you, ma'am.
You ask me one question. That if you are doing a private job, then will you take responsibility of him or her, him or you will you take responsibility?
Yeah, I'm an entrepreneur.
I am an entrepreneur.
I'm an entrepreneur, and I can provide a lot of jobs. Lot of jobs, and this is my company. You will join. There is need. Will you want to join? If there is need in your family and also your brother and sister, you will join. I am offering you.
Yeah, excuse me. Joining later.
You can see. Come on. Take this. This is my card, ma'am.
What are your plannings that how will be you entrepreneur in future? You have any plans? You know that private sector, the rat race never ends. Like you will be like a phone. Like you will be like a Samsung phone. Like you have to upgrade yourself every day. Will you able be to upgrade yourself?
I will remain private.
I will remain private, and I will offer all of you that.
And you are like Motorola.
I will be happy in Motorola. I will be happy in Motorola.
That is the way of your satisfaction, no?
Exactly.
Why government is
if your business
But
doesn't.
Niharika, you need to understand that the boy, I really appreciate him. He's thinking about everyone, but you're thinking about your own self.
yeah, selfish and only your thinking is very concrete, only narrow, and you are thinking only you.
You are egoistic.
Okay.
You are favor of the government seat, and this is also a lot of only you think about you, and not him. That hurt. Only you think.
I agree that
I asked one question: where your child will be?
Thank you very much. Everyone has to sit down now. But line में ही बैठना है. Everybody has to sit down. हाँ, sit down, not नीचे, but on the chair. You have to sit down. Yes. What went well? What went wrong during the talks?
everyone first clap for everyone. They did very well job. But there is a positive, there is a negative as well. So we did everything very well in the starting, but in the middle, I want to say that a great leader who those listen first. Okay, then you have to listen first.
But Sikha, you have to speak thinking about development and learning. No?
Sir, in their batch, in our batch also, as we raise our point for government job, for foreign minister, we can explore the world in government job as well. In a private job, they are telling everything that they have, but they were going very well. But this is like they have a maturity of in their thought. It is a very well. It was very well because they have in our group. Most of people have 19 plus also, the bhaiya 19 he said, and we have 20 plus people also, but the maturity of thought they have shown us today, it was marvelous.
Well, what I think he did absolutely good. Without knowing what sort of construction you are using, language construction, where you are using subject, where you are using object, what sort of verb you are using, what sort of helping verb you are using. Then you are confident enough to express your feeling, and that is marvelous. I literally appreciate this person because after he is said to be a beginner. Here in this institute, a beginner. He is a beginner, but then he is standing by his point. He want to express his ideas.
Exactly.
No matter, sometimes he became aggressive just because to prove his point.
Exactly.
And the thing is, when you become aggressive, why you become aggressive? Because you are not in favor of the statements which you are saying. He want to express his idea.
Exactly.
And if you are not listening, and if you're making somehow fun of that statement, some of that thinking, he became aggressive, he became frustrated, and that's what I'm saying.
And
at
he
that
was
point.
not really aggressive.
He was not really. He's very, very, very sweet guy.
I think he's from your batch, right? You know very well,
And he is quite good. He's quite good. And when...
Suji, come here.
No, he's very good. I literally appreciate this person because when he started making mock of himself, that's a great ability of yours.
Exactly.
No one wants to make fun of himself. No one ever wants to make fun of himself.
Exactly.
But when you started saying, okay, what you want, your eye contact, the way you speak actually irritates the other person.
Exactly.
Okay, the way, the tone you are having, the points you are having, you are not understanding what he wants to convey. And again, the frustration is there. You are saying, okay, your coins shows what sort of family background you are having, what sort of you are not able to achieve, or you are not able to crack the government exam. You are hurting someone. You are hurting the person who are preparing, who are giving their life for that exam.
No, it
Bloody
It was
exam.
hypothetically, by the way, right? Whatever has been said.
No, no, but you are actually, your tone, your way of talking actually makes someone frustrated. Then,
If he is saying that government job, मतलब you are saying right, I am totally agree with your point. But if he is saying that against our points, then he is also hurting.
yeah, that's
Nee, it
thing.
was fine.
I'm saying the
Gunjan,
way he is saying.
The statement which was spoken and said by him, it was okay, and it was okay by them as well.
By them also.
Yeah.
But why he became aggressive? I'm talking that thing.
The point, the feedback was for him. The feedback
Not
was
for
him
you.
because she
I'm
spoke
not
about
saying.
it.
I'm not saying you are saying something wrong. You are stepping on your point. He is conveying his thought, but he became aggressive because his points are not able to be understood by you all. So he became frustrated.
Exactly.
That's.
Positive point, positive feedback that we everyone today able to eradicate our.
पहले बोले we have been able to
We
eradicate.
have been able to eradicate our self-inferior complexity, and it doesn't matter you are able to speak or not, but today we.
But you pushed yourself.
You pushed yourself and speak very
And
well
spoke
today.
very well.
Spoke very well today.
Well, all right, that's fine. Have a seat, man. Have a seat. He was committing mistakes,
Yes.
but he accepted himself and continued speaking. What if I would have asked to anybody, come on, go and become gay and dance like it? Nobody could have done that.
Yes, sir.
But he did it. So we all should appreciate him, man. Come on. क्योंकि मनोबल बस. And second thing, एक थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव मैं कहूँगा. नेगेटिव ये था कि थोड़ा क्लैरिटी नहीं आ पा रही थी, है ना? बस की है ना ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसको समझिए कि इस चीज़ को अच्छा करना है, पॉजिटिव ही फीडबैक उसको अच्छा करना है, बट थोड़ा शोर हो जा रहा था, क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रही थी, बस खाली एक चीज़ समझ में आ रही थी, शराब गाना ये सब आ रहा था, तो थोड़ा क्लैरिटी लेकर आइए. ऑलराइट, ये चीज़ आपको और एक चीज़ सनी को भी, है ना? जल्दी में थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी नहीं आ पाती, मुंह में फंस जाता है, बट उसको थोड़ा सा खोल के बोला करें. ऑलराइट, बोलो ऑलराइट, 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 गेट आउट, शट अप. ठीक है, प्लीज.
Sorry, ma'am. Whatever you asked, so listen to me, ma'am. Firstly, no. This is positive things. I was not. No.
He's complimenting you.
Sometimes I was not getting your points due to this is my mistake,
exactly.
and I was not getting your points due to I could not give your point answer, sir.
Exactly. You are my didi.
I was this is also my didi.
Of course.
Each and every this is my brother and sister.
Of course.
Yeah, why not, sir?
I'm just your babu. Come on. I'm your chota babu.
I am your chota babu.
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Forgive me.
Of course.
Of course. Why not?
ठीक है सुजीत, please have a seat. All right.